One day, Pulau Padang arrived at the waterfront. In the distance, the skyline. He was hampered by a vast ocean to reach the edge of the sky. Pulau Padang cried of despair. How to cross the sea? When it appears in albino buffalo, Tedong Bulan. On his hip struck a spear. Why are you crying? He told Pulau Padang. Pulau Padang tells his desire to reach the edge of the sky to climb into the sky looking for his wife and son. Tedong Bulan promised to take him across the sea, provided that Pulau Padang willing to pull out the spear stuck in his body. Pulau Padang not just pulled out the spear, but also promised that he and his descendants will not eat the meat of albino buffalo. That was the beginning of why Toraja people does not eat meat of albino buffalo. Who breaks the promise, Pulau Padang will be affected with scurvy. Tedong Bulan then transports Pulau Padang up to the edge of the sky. Apparently there also he could not climb into the sky. Again he cried sniffle. Here the cries Pulau Padang. They soon feel moved. Soon asked her sister the moon for bringing Pulau Padang to the sky. With the help of the moon, Pulau Padang finally arrived at the sky. He then hit near a well when one of the girls made the tanah. Come take a water bath for Pairunan. Pulau Padang secretly put a top that he brought from earth into the water tube. When Pairunan was head away, a top fell out of water tube. Pairunan and the tanah aware that Pulau Padang has reached that heavens. However, suffered Pulau Padang not over. When he was about to meet his wife, he was ordered to carry water in a basket for his wife. How is it possible? Pulau Padang begged tears of despair. As well as on the earth, animals in the sky also intrigued to hear cries of Pulau Padang. At first the eel came to help. He was swapping his body in the basket so that water can be transported without dripping out. In return, Pulau Padang had to promise that he and his descendants would not eat the meat of eel. Without other options, Pulau Padang then promise transporting the water successfully. Meat appears others terms. Pulau Padang have to supplying water from the well of the house Diatana. That distance is fair enough. Fortunately, a group of crab willing to help dig the drains. After making the channel, he was required to spend all of sweet potatoes in the garden. Boar reaches out for help. Whole sweet potatoes out rifled by the hordes of boar. Diatana, not yet convinced, Pulau Padang was ordered again to fill the 4 fruit basket with corn seeds. Should not be at once, but must be entered one by one. The sets for the set. My stern helps Pulau Padang. Diatana heard finally persuaded she and Pairunan willing to return to Earth, but there is one condition that must be fulfilled. Pulau Padang, as a husband and father, he should be able to recognize his wife and son among many people in the dark. Fireflies and the cats come to help Pulau Padang. The chat approached Diatana and Pairunan, and meows give introductions for Pulau Padang. The cat approached Diatana and Pairunan, and meows give introductions for Pulau Padang. Replying on the sound of cat, Pulau Padang over to his wife and son. After the close, Firefly landed on Ban Diatana. By flashing fireflies, Pulau Padang can recognize his wife and son at the same time.